This is so good. No lies, this is so good. Hey, long life and health family, welcome. So today I'm going to be making something for the first time that I really wanted to try. I saw this vinegar and salted potato chips online, or salted vinegar chips, whatever it is. And it looks super crunchy and super delicious. So I decided to try this with you guys. But instead of using Irish potatoes, today I'm going to be using some sweet potatoes. Yep, I'm going to be using some sweet potatoes. Sorry. Alright, so I got these organic sweet potatoes from my mom, and I decided that I'm going to be trying to use them for this vinegar and salted potato chips. Yes guys, so remember that this is my first time trying to make it. So if I fail, we fail together because we're a family. But I don't think I'm going to fail today. So let's get into the video.
Lady, go!
Based on the recipe that I saw online, we need 3 potatoes. But remember that I told you that I'm not going to be using the Irish potato, but instead I'm going to be using the sweet potatoes. Yep, so I have my 3 sweet potatoes, but you know, I'm extra. So instead of using 3, I'm going to be using 4. Right, so 4 potatoes, and it said we need 2 cups of vinegar. So let me pour that out, but first let me get this out of the way. Bam bam bee bam 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 bee bam. All right, so here we have our vinegar. Focus. There we go. So here we have our vinegar, and I'm going to ice this for 2 cups. If you have your measuring cup, then go ahead and use your measuring cup. So guys, even though I'm saying we need 2 cups of vinegar, it is actually 3 cups. So remember that I was making this on spot for the first time, so the measurements weren't pre-recorded, so I actually take the measurement as I go. So further down in the video, you're going to see that it is actually 3 cups of vinegar. So there we have our 2 cups of vinegar, and it said we need 1 tablespoon salt. Oh. Alright, so yes, so we need 1 tablespoon. I already poured it in the container here. It said we need 1 tablespoon black pepper, and we also need 1 tablespoon salt. Yep. Let's see how we're gonna get these things to hold here so you can have a better view of it. Alright, so yes guys, so remember you need 2 cups of vinegar, 1 tablespoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon salt. Oh, and the main ingredients, sweet potatoes. Or if you have Irish potatoes and you want to use your Irish potatoes, go ahead, you can use your Irish potatoes. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing is to peel our potatoes. If you have your vegetable peeler, you can go ahead and use it. guys, so because these are organic sweet potatoes, you are going to have some default. So no chemicals are added to these potatoes, so yeah, so it's not going to be as perfect as the potatoes you see in the super. Let me get some more vinegar in. So guys, if you already have your 3 cups of vinegar, you can skip this part. More vinegar, and I'm going to use a little bit more because we want our there we go. We want our potato to be submerged. There we go. Yeah, so we need our vinegar to cover our potato chips. I'll show you. So we're going to cover our potato chips, and we're going to leave this for 30 minutes, right? So the longer it stays in the vinegar, it's the more vinegary the chips are going to be. So if you want your chips to be more vinegary, then you can leave it for 40 minutes, 45 minutes. It depends on what you want, but I'm going to leave my chips in the vinegar for 30 minutes. Right, so the time now is 8:50 and I'm going to be setting my alarm for 9:20. 9:20 a.m. Alright, so 30 minutes time we're going to be checking on our potatoes to see how vinegary it is. So we're going to preheat our oven to 170 degrees. Yep. Then we're going to be checking on our potatoes, okay? Alright, so here we have our potatoes. So yes guys, I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about it. Alright, so we have our potatoes. Now we're going to be doing is to drain our potatoes, drain the vinegar off our potatoes. Then we're going to mix together our salt and
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
And some drum roll for our salt and vinegar potato chips. Oh my god, guys, these are so beautiful. These are so spot on. Don't these look so delicious? Go right in. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Hear this. Mmm. Mmm. Do you hear that crinkling? Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Guys, you're actually missing out on something. It is that sweetness combined with the vinegar, the salt, and a little hint of pepper. Sorry guys, I have to go. Guys, I'm so sorry, but videoing was actually preventing me from enjoying this salty, vinegary, sweet potato chips the way I wanted to. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave your comment down below, and subscribe for